Hello everybody, and we got the review for the AP, or not AP, yeah, AP PreCal test 3B. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let f of theta equal tangent of theta over 6, and this is asking us to write an equation that represents all the asymptotes of the graph in the xy plane. So for tangent, the all of that equation is going to be, you'll have an asymptote whenever theta is pi over 2b plus pi over bk, where k is an integer. So here b is equal to 1/6. So we will have an asymptote whenever theta is equal to 2 times 1/6 plus pi over 1/6 k, and we simplify that with a little keep change flip, and we get 3 pi plus 6 pi k. So that is when we will have an asymptote. In the xy plane, the angle theta is in center position. What is the slope of the terminal ray of the angle? So slope, this tells us that slope is tangent. We can find the slope of a terminal ray using the tangent function. So we need to find tangent of 7 pi over 4. All the over 4s are going to be plus or minus 1. This is 7 pi over 4, so this is in quadrant 4, and tangent is negative in quadrant 4. So that is going to be -1. Okay, right down here, evaluate what is tangent of pi over 6. So pi over 6 is the one closer to the x-axis right here. So that is the pi over 6. And tangent of that angle is √3 over 3, 1/3 of √3. So that is going to be our answer. And we are in quadrant 1, so it is positive. Tangent of 3 pi over 2. All the over 2's for tangent are undefined. That is the one on the y-axis, and the slope of the a vertical line is undefined. Tangent of 4 pi over 3. So the over 3's are the ones that are closer to the y-axis. And so all the over 3's are square root of 3. So we'll have square root of 3. And this is in quadrant, what's that? That's quadrant bigger than pi. So it's going to be quadrant 3. And tangent is positive in quadrant 3. So there we go. Okay, next part, graph each trig function. So we're going to graph tangent of theta plus pi over 4 minus 1. So the first thing we want to do is find the asymptotes. So we will use this equation up here from number 1. Here, the b is 1. So we will have theta equals pi over 2 plus 2 times 1 is just 2 pi k. Because b is 1, it doesn't change. But we do also have this horizontal shift as well, and this is going to be a shift to the left by pi over 4. So I need to move everything. I need to subtract pi over 4 from this. So pi over 2 minus pi over 4 is pi over 4 plus pi k. So these are our asymptotes. So we'll have one at pi over 4. And then every pi after that. And pi is, what, 4 blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have another asymptote there. 1, 2, 3, 4, another asymptote right here. Next, we need to find the turning point. And that is going to be on the midline, or on the x-axis, halfway in between the asymptotes, so right here. But I have a oh, did I mess that up? I can't see what that used to be. I think that used to be a -1. Yeah, I believe it used to be a -1. So it's going to be instead, so that's down 1, so we're going to shift down 1. And if I'm wrong about that, if it's plus, it'd be up 1. So that's where that would be. And then we need to find the other two, so that will happen at every pi. So there, there, and there. And then to find the next points, we're going to go halfway between the turning point and the asymptote. So we'll go halfway between, and then we'll go up a. In this case, a is 1 as well, so that'll be right there. And down 1. And so that will go up like that, and down like that. And you can repeat that for each section here. There we go. Okay. This one, graph. This one, -2 tangent of theta. Sorry, -2 tangent of 2 theta plus 3. So again, find our asymptotes. First, for tangent, that is going to be theta equals pi over 2b. And this time, b is 2. So pi over 2 times 2 plus pi over 2. Okay, so we should have them all at pi over 4 plus pi over 2k. And no horizontal shifts, so you don't have to worry about shifting it over. So we'll have one at pi over 4 is right here, and then every pi over 2. So that's every 2 sections, or every 2 blocks in this case. So there we go. Now, the turning point is usually on 0, 0. So the turning point's usually on 0, 0, or the midline here. And multiplying 0 times 2 will do nothing. And then, but we want to add 3, so we have to go up 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we'll have that at every pi over 2 apart. And it would go back here as well. Okay, next part is we want to find these other little ones, these ones, the quarter spots of the period. So we'll go halfway between the turning point and the asymptote. And this says we're going to go down 2. So halfway between and then down 2. And on the other side, we go halfway between to the left and then up 2, which will be up off the graph, but that's what it would end up looking like. So it looks kind of like that. And we can repeat it every 2 blocks here. So it looks kind of like that, and up and over and over and over and over again. Okay. And that is page 1. Yeah, let's go ahead and stop there, and I will make the next video.